Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this ergonomic mesh office chair that this brand sent to me for this video. I've been trying it, and I have to say that it's one of the most comfortable mesh office chairs that I tried. I have my own gaming chair, and it's a big one, it's a bulky one, it's a leather one, but this one, being a mesh office chair and being so ergonomic, it stands and makes the difference. I gotta talk about the assembly process. Everything is explained right here. It is super easy to assemble. You're gonna get it down in about like 20 minutes or less than 20 minutes. Super simple and intuitive. And this chair supports 330 pounds. Let's take a closer look. Some of the things that I like about this chair is how breathable the mesh is. Its mesh is kind of like elastic, super firm, but also breathable. And of course, it comes with a really nice pattern that you can look over here. The lumbar support, the back support right here, it is fantastic. You're gonna see some really nice shock springs over here. I'm gonna show them to you in a close-up in a few seconds. But also this right here is gonna support you more on the weight side because it's even more firm and more elastic at the same time. It's a wide chair, as you can see over here, pretty wide chair, but supporting 330 pounds gives you some freedom of movement because you can actually flip the armrest so you can sit crisscrossing your legs over here, or you can play your guitar, or you can sit and play in your handheld console, whatever you want. With this one, you have the freedom of movement and comfort. And by the way, another thing that I like is that this one over here, you can tilt it, as you can see, or you can actually modify the height. So this headrest, which is tiltable, again, it will be good for people up to 6.2, 6.3, which by the way, I'm 5'10", and I weigh 180 pounds. And last but not least, you're gonna find this right here to put a kind of like a jacket or your coat or your blazer, something like that, which makes this to be super good for the office environment. And here you're gonna find that you can do with the armrests, which are a little bit padded, as you can see over here. You can put them backwards, frontwards, inside and outside. And as I was telling you before, these ones you can flip them so you can have the freedom of movement over here, which I think it is really good. But if you want to talk about support on your lower back area, this right here, you're going to find in this area right here, I think it is, you're going to find this shock spring. Check this out. When I'm sitting, these are moving with me and give me that really nice support that I need on my lower back area. But if we need to talk about total comfort, this right here, which by the way, you can modify the height like every other chair. Check this out. You can do this one right here. You put it out and then pair with the footrest and the headrest, or not the footrest, the headrest, and this with the shock springs, make this one to be fantastic for chilling, reclining, and just having these ones with you, that if you don't want them, you can just put them back and have even more freedom of movement and chilling less, if you want to say it like that. I love this chair. I think it is really cool, comfortable, and of course, it's going to be amazing for your office environment.